Start screen sharing in a Discord call to show a video or play some music through your stream, and everyone in the call says the same thing. We can see your screen, but we can't hear anything. This is one of the most common Discord audio bugs, and in this video, I'm covering exactly why it happens and every fix that gets it working. Number 1, the problem. Why screen share audio fails. Here's what's actually happening. Discord's screen share doesn't automatically capture your computer's audio the way it captures your screen. That has to be turned on separately, and it depends on your operating system's ability to route audio through to the share. On top of that, some apps and browsers play audio through a different output than the one Discord is capturing, which means even with sharing turned on, the specific audio source might not be included. Let's go through this in order, starting with the setting most people miss. Number 2, fix 1, share audio toggle. When you start a screen share, look at the bottom of the share preview window before you confirm. There's a checkbox labeled Share Audio or Also Share Computer Sound. If this isn't checked, no audio goes through no matter what else you set up. Enable it before starting the screen share, not after. If you forget, stop the share completely and start it again with the audio toggle enabled. Number 3, fix 2, System Audio Driver and Output Settings. If share audio is already enabled and your viewers still can't hear anything, check your system's default audio output. Discord captures audio from your default playback device. If you're using virtual audio software, multiple speakers, or a Bluetooth headset that switched outputs during the call, Discord may be capturing the wrong device. Open your computer's sound settings and make sure the default output device matches the one you're actually using. If you're on Windows, also make sure your audio drivers are fully up to date, since outdated drivers are a common cause of this issue. Number 4, fix 3, app-specific audio, browser or game. This is the fix many people overlook. If you're sharing a browser tab, Discord has a separate audio option specifically for browser tabs. Make sure you're sharing the correct tab with its own audio option enabled, rather than sharing your entire screen without audio. If you're sharing a game, some games use exclusive audio modes that prevent Discord from capturing sound properly. If the game offers an exclusive mode or Wasapi exclusive setting, try disabling it and test the screen share again. Number 5, fix 4, restart Discord and check permissions. If none of the previous fixes work, completely close Discord. Don't just minimize it, fully quit the application and reopen it. Audio routing can sometimes get stuck during long voice calls, and restarting Discord refreshes the connection. If you're using a Mac, also check that Discord has permission for screen recording and microphone under System Settings, Privacy, and Security. Without those permissions, macOS can block Discord from capturing system audio correctly. Final verdict. So, to recap, enable share audio before you begin sharing your screen, verify your default audio output device, check browser or game-specific audio settings, and finally restart Discord while confirming all required permissions are enabled. Those steps solve the vast majority of Discord screen share audio problems. If you're still having trouble after trying everything in this guide, join the OBX Discord community using the link below, and we'll help you troubleshoot your specific setup.